Good afternoon, students. In the previous video, I was teaching Vivadaha Vinashaya. This Kapinjala and Shashaka, they had approached Dikshanadamshtra for the judgment. They had a dispute about their residence, to whom it should be allotted. So Marjara was making Dharma Pravachan. They were very much impressed by its Upadesha. So they told, we have a dispute. You listen to our dispute and give the proper judgment. Whose judgment is wrong, you can eat that. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಜಾರ ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾನು ಯಾರ್ದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ತಪ್ಪೋ ಯಾರು ವಾದ ತಪ್ಪೋ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾನು ತಿಂತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, they used to get doubt. Oh, whatever it is preaching all falsehood and it has not given up violence ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. So that time it tells, no. I have already given up the path of violence. ಹಿಂಸೆಯ ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Why? It leads to hell. I am following dharma that preaches non-violence. ಅಹಿಂಸಾ ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನು ಬೋಧಿಸುವ ಧರ್ಮ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಇವನ್ ಹೇನು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೇನು, ಲೈಸ್, ತಿಗಣೆ, ಬೆಡ್ ಬಗ್ಸ್, ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಲೈ, ಕಾಡು ನೊಣ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಧರ್ಮ ಸೇಸ್ ಇವನ್ these three creatures should be protected. Even though they are violent, even though they suck the blood, they should be also protected. But you two are very good, harmless. Why will I eat? Why will I kill? I have given up that path because it directly leads to hell. ನರಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವಂತಹ ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಜ್ಞ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಜ್ಞ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ they sacrifice animal, goat or sheep. One word is there, aja. ಅಜಃ ಅಜೈಹಿ ಯಷ್ಟವ್ಯಂ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಅಜದಿಂದ ಯಜ್ಞ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಜ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟೂ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಅಜ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗೋಟ್. Another one, bamboo rice harvested once in 7 years. Harvested once in 7 years. ಅಜೈಹಿ ಯಷ್ಟವ್ಯಂ, ಅಜದಿಂದ ಯಜ್ಞ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಜ ಅಂದ್ರೆ foolish people, they have taken the meaning as goat. So they are killing goat in the sacrifice. They are all foolish. But I have taken its meaning as bamboo rice. Means I am following non-violence. So what you have to do? You believe me. I will not kill anyone. I will give the proper judgment as per sacred text. But you are standing far. ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಅಂತರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು. You are standing at the distance. I am old. I cannot listen. So what you have to do? Please come closer and tell your dispute. I will hear to it. By hearing, ಯಾರ್ದು ತಪ್ಪೋ ಯಾರ್ದು ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ, ನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನ, ನಾನು ತೀರ್ಪನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೇನ್ ಲಾಭ? I will be getting good place in the heaven. I will not go to hell. In Paraloka, it will be a good for me. That is my benefit. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತು. These two, they were completely impressed by the words of ಧರ್ಮೋಪದೇಶ of ಮಾರ್ಜಾರ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೂ ಸಂಶಯ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮೋಸ ಇದೆ, ತಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕೊಲ್ಲತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಂಶಯ ಬರಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅದ್ರ ಮಾತನ್ನ ನಂಬಿ ದೇ ಕೇಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ಇಟ್. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದನ್ನ ಕಾಲಿನಿಂದ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹಿಡಿತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನ ಹಲ್ಲಿನಿಂದ ಕಚ್ಚಿತು. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ, ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ಲಿ it killed both Kapinjala and Shigrala. See the tragic end. Why? They did not solve the dispute among themselves. If they had solved, ತಾವೇ ಇಬ್ರು ಕುಳಿತು ಅದನ್ನ ಬಗೆಹರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಜೀವನ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಜೀವವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Who got benefited? Marjara got benefited. See the theme. In the daily life also, we see so many people are cheated by cheats. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಾತುಗಳಿಗೆ ಮರುಳಾಗಿ ಮೋಸ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಜೀವ ಕಳ್ಕೊತಾರೆ, ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. See the theme of the lesson. It is applicable not only to the children but also for elderly people. So you ask one question to you. My friendship, is it continued with my friend? ಮೊದಲಿಂದಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಫೈನ್. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ broken due to some misunderstanding, difference of opinions, see all the fingers are not same, like that is quite natural that there will be difference of opinion among the friends. That time, why it broke? Any third person entered in between? You ask the question to yourself. Third person ಇಂದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮುರಿತಾ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ you should not allow the third person to enter into it. They enjoy, they will misuse, you will be cheated. So whenever there is misunderstanding or difference of opinion with your friend, you both of you sit together, discuss and solve among yourselves. Don't go to third person. It's the moral. See, India has so much of difference about boundaries and all with neighboring countries. America is ever ready to interfere in the matters of two countries. But India is straightway telling, we don't want anyone to enter into our internal matters. We will solve among ourselves. We don't need the assistance or help of third country. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ that judgment If it comes against our nation's interest, we have to agree. So, the India is telling we don't want any third country's intervention in this boundary dispute. Understood? So, this theme will be applicable to all, not only young children, not only teenagers, but also for the old people, elderly people also. This lesson is very, very helpful to follow. What is the moral? If I tell, don't get cheated, speak truth, don't lie, follow dharma. If I go on telling 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, if I go on telling, what will you do? You will sleep. Adar badalige, to explain these virtues, values, if one story is told, then self-moral preaching. Oh, here how? We should not be like that. Tirthasaushtra or Kapinjala and Shigraga. We should not be like that. That self-preaching will come to our mind. Others need not teach. From the characters in the story, we will learn automatically without our knowledge. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದ ಹಾಗೆ in the same manner, Vishnu Sharma changed the mindset of the four foolish children of Amar Shakti Raja. So this is the summary of the lesson. So this Panchatantra, it comes for Laghu Tippani. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಠದ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ನೀವು ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 5 marks ಲಘು ಟಿಪ್ಪಣಿ question is there in mother tongue, either in English or Kannada you have to write. So it is very essential to know the Kriti, Kavi, everything. Now Vivada Vinashaya Panchantram Kakolukiyam. It is taken from the technique Kakolukiyam. विश्वविख्याते संस्कृत साहित्ये गद्य साहित्यस्य स्थानं महत्वपूर्णं विद्यते. इट इज वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. संस्कृत कथा साहित्य इन द स्टोरी, संस्कृत स्टोरी, नीति कथा महत्तमं स्थानं भजन्ते. दे प्ले वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट रोल. नीति कथा साहित्ये पंचतंत्रं श्रेष्ठम् इति परिगण्यते. पंचतंत्र is supermost in moral stories. पंचतंत्र कथाः लोकनीतिं राजनीतिं च बोधयन्ति. They preach लोकनीति राजनीति. अस्य ग्रन्थस्य रचयिता विष्णु शर्मा. विष्णु शर्मा. Okay. ग्रन्थेऽस्मिन् ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಗಳಿವೆ? ಮಿತ್ರ ಭೇದ, ಪಂಚತಂತ್ರಾಣಿ 5 ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್. ಮಿತ್ರ ಭೇದ, ಮಿತ್ರ ಸಂಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಿ, ಕಾಕೋಲುಕೀಯಂ, ಲಬ್ಧ ಪ್ರಣಾಶಃ, ಅಪರೇಕ್ಷಿತ ಕಾರಕಂ ಚೇತಿ ಪಂಚತಂತ್ರಾಣಿ ಸಂತಿ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ 5 ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಕಥಾಭಾಗ, the present story, Kakolukiyam iti tantrat uddhritah. It is taken from the technique Kakolukiyam. Kaschit vayasah. Vayasah, Kaka means crow. Kaschit vayasah kathamimam kathayati. It tells the story. अत्र प्रमुखतया, what is the moral? द्वयोः कलहः, the dispute between the two. तृतीयस्य लाभाय कल्पेत, it is beneficial to the third person. अतः कलहः न करणीयः. So one should not fight, quarrel. while writing mother tongue answers, if you quote this line, it brings more marks. Okay. Ityamsham kavihi pratipadeti. This amsha, this point is Kavi is narrating. Here, na karaniyaha. Karaniya. Can you identify? It's Krudanta. Aniya. Karaniya. Ra is there. So, na changing to na. Karaniyaha. It is Vidyartha Krudanta. Aniya Pratyaya. Udhritaha. Udhritaha. It is the Pratyaya. Bhuta Krudanta. Next, in the first para, third line end. Granthesmin. Granthesmin. Granthe plus asmin. A is equal to yes. Already I have sent the PDF file of this all Sandhi, Kridanta, everything I have sent. I hope you have taken the printouts. You make one file, keep it, preserve it neatly because it comes in the second year also. All these grammar points will be repeated in PUC second year. So whatever I am teaching here, it is for keeping in mind PUC second year public examination I am teaching. Okay, so you have to be very serious. In the homework assignment also, clearly, systematically, without any scratches, you have to do the homework properly. Okay, now in the next class, I am going to continue this lesson. Now I am going to conclude the lesson. You do the homework of Vevidya Veditavya in a very neat and systematic manner in the first part of the homework assignment. Thank you, students.